Hi guys, my name is Alex and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is another underwear review and today I'm reviewing Obviously Apparel. I have been working with them for 3 months now. They have been sending me 2 pairs of underwear every month for the past 3 months, and I usually post those underwear on my Instagram, so go check them out. Before we go into this underwear review fully, I just wanted to take a moment and say a big thank you to everyone that have been supporting me so far. I started my YouTube channel in January this year and my goal was to get to 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. We're in October now and I'm on 900 subscribers, which is so good. I'm so excited. So thank you very much for everyone that have supported me so far. Hopefully I'll get to 1,000 in October, which will be even better because of October is my birthday. Well, my birthday passed a few days ago, but anyway, to be a great birthday present if I could get to 1,000 subscribers before the end of October. For my old subscribers, I know you'll be wondering why suddenly I have a lot of RuPaul's Drag Race video coming up. It's because I'm a big fan of the show, and finally there's RuPaul's Drag Race UK, which I'm a big fan of. So don't think I've started doing something differently. It's just part of who I am, and my channel is to show you guys who I am and what I enjoy pretty much. I do fitness and modeling stuff because I'm into fitness and modeling. I do underwear reviews because I am into underwear modeling. I've done a couple of videos where I'm talking about my personal life, how I came out and stuff like that. It's because it's part of me, it's part of who I am. And in the past I've done short funny clips or videos. It's because I love comedy and I love funny sketches like that. I will also be going back to those funny sketches later on, but right now I'm just focusing on a lot of other things that are coming up, so please bear with me. Don't think I'm doing something differently. RuPaul's Drag Race is a big part of my life as well. That being said, let's go straight into my Obviously Apparel underwear collection. That was a mouthful. Like I said, I've been receiving 2 pairs of underwear every month for the past 3 months. So I have 6 different pairs of underwear I'll be trying on today for you guys. Obviously Apparel is a premium underwear brand for men. They are called Obviously because they have this visible pouch for your bit, and it gives you a bit extra room. If you can see, this is literally the pouch. It's quite big actually. So that is why they're called Obviously Apparel. It's roomy for your bits, which is good. The downside to it is if you are in front of other people and you're wearing just your underwear, your package seems to be all over the place. I was doing a photo shoot wearing actually this underwear and my bit was swinging left right. It was a bit embarrassing, but apart from that, it's actually a premium brand, feels good, and the fabric is actually quite soft as well. Time for me to go try on the underwear. Please comment below which one of them you think looks best on me. I have my favorites as well, but I would like to know what you think. So time for some quick push-ups, get my chest all pumped. See you on the other side. Obviously Apparel is said to be made with high quality eco materials, which sound premium to me. I'm not an expert when it comes to fabrics, but on the packaging here, some of the material used are 10% Lycra, 90% bamboo rayon, 90% Micro Modal. I'm not too sure if I'm pronouncing these things right, but they all sound premium quality to me. time for the ratings.
Design, 3.5 stars. It's something different. The pouch is actually a fun addition to the design. Functionality, 3.5 stars. It fits nicely. The pouch is roomy and comfortable. I am a medium, but some of the medium briefs were still feeling too big. Looks, 3.5 stars. Your package is literally way too obvious sometimes, even when you are wearing joggers. But it looks sexy and fun indoor briefs to wear with your partner.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please help me get to 1,000 subscribers. It will mean a lot to me. And I will see you guys again soon.